While most of you at this time, you all are discrediting Beenie Man, using disparaging remarks, I will tell you that his statement is both scientifically factual and also rooted in superstitious practices. Dogs typically dislike and are less likely to eat things with strong scents. So scientifically, we know that most of these doubles making, they will use a lot of onion and garlic and sometimes pepper. So there are scientific reasons why the dogs may not want to eat the doubles, and also superstitious practices. Many of you doubles vendors are using dead water. Water that they use, the last water that they use to bathe the dead. Do you want me to outline it? Do you want me to highlight the many funeral homes that sell dead water? As a matter of fact, by a certain time, the dead water is sold out. And where there is a demand, there will always be supply. Because of some of these spiritual uncanny practices. Let us deal with the demonic issues in this nation that is plaguing us. You all want to sweep it under the carpet. But I, Kizelle Jackson, political leader of All People's Party, I say I'm coming with a new form of leadership. Listen to me. I am not trying to win you with lies and deception. I will unearth it.